we can actually select the components of any 3D object by painting with it like a brush. Like this, alright? Now below all of these selection tools, we have a move tool, using which we can move objects anywhere in the 3D space. When the move tool is active, if you select an object, you will find these handles pointing towards X, Y, and Z direction. You can select and drag these handles along the axis each of them is pointing to. The handles are color coded, in which the red one points towards the X-axis, the green one points towards the Y-axis, and the blue one points towards the Z-axis. There are also little square handles in between these primary handles. Using these, you can move objects on a particular plane, such as the XY plane, the ZX plane, and the YZ plane. There is one last handle at the center of the manipulator in the form of a little blue square. Using this, you can move the object anywhere in the 3D space without constraining to any particular axis. Alright? Below the Move tool, we have this Rotate tool, using which we can rotate objects. We have handles similar to that of the Move tool, but in the form of circles, with same colors denoting the different axes. You can rotate an object along any axis as you wish by selecting and dragging these rotation handles. There is also another handle that is used to rotate an object perpendicular to the point of view right from where we are looking at the object, and that is this yellow handle present outside of all the other handles. Alright? Now, below the Rotate tool, we have this Scale tool, using which we can scale up or down any selected object. This tool has similar handles like the Move tool. You can scale up or down in any particular direction, or along any particular plane. Or you can do it from the center to scale up or down proportionally or uniformly in all the directions. Alright? So this is it. This is how we can create and manipulate primitive objects in Maya. Alright? See you in the next video.